Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 4b, which is basically depend upon angles. You know that angle? Angles are two rays which have one initial point. Okay, so this is a angle. So we can write angle O also. We can write angle AOB also. We can write angle BOA also. Okay, that is your in Loom video. Look this question. First question. Name the angles made by this figure. Okay, so look carefully. Firstly, we count like that. Simply this angle, second, third, fourth angle. Okay, then with B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 7, then 8, 9, 10. Okay, so total 10 angles. So firstly we write angle AOB, then BOC, then COD, then DOE, then angle AOC, then angle AOD, angle AOE. Okay, this is full angle. Okay, then from with the point B, BOC we have written. Okay, so BOD is left. BOD is left. Okay, two more angles are left. That is BOE with the start from B point. Okay, and with the C point it is COE. So total 10 angles. Yes, look at the second question. In second question, firstly we name of angle. Name of angle is ABC. Okay, we can write angle ABC. Vertex. The two rays which have initial point is B. So that is vertex. Vertex is B. Arms AB and BC. Okay, these are arms. जैसे आपकी arms होती है, same angles की arm है. ठीक है, these are arms. Okay, look at the second part. This is first part. Look at second part. In second part we tell in the list the points in interior points of the angle. So you can look carefully. J, D, G, it is very easy. So these are interior points. So J, D and G. Okay, exterior points are H, F, okay, I, K, okay, and on the angle, ठीक है, points are, so that are A, B, F, C. So one time we check also from book also. देखो check one time. देखो E is left. Okay, so always check your answer. So here E is left. That is also on angle. Okay, A, E, H. This H is also left. Okay, B, F and C. Okay, the interior points we'll check once more again. So D, J, G. Or exterior points, that is I and K. Only I and K is outside. Okay, these points are on the angle. Yes, other part do yourself. First, second, third, fourth part do yourself. In third, it is very much same as second question. Okay, in third question, same like that. Name the angles. Okay, name the 2 points each in exterior of angle AOB. So in angle AOB. So 2 points exterior. So C and D are exterior points. Okay, name the points in interior of angle. So you can do these questions very easily. Look at the fourth question. So write the full name of angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, so I am solving this question on the board. Yes, look at the fourth question. Look the diagram carefully. Full name of angle 2. So look carefully, angle 2 is in middle. So we can write angle DCA also. We can write angle ACD also. Okay. So write only one name, DCA. Angle 3. Now look carefully, this is also vertex C, but it divided into two parts. So angle BCA. Angle BCA. Okay. Now angle 5. Angle 5 is angle BAC. Angle 6 DAC. Angle 3 vertex. Name the vertex of angle 3. So vertex is C. Vertex is C. So it is divided into two parts. So you write BCA. Okay, but you can also write vertex C also. Vertex C. Okay, name the common arm of angle 5 and 6. So common arm. Okay, common, which is common between 5 and 6. So it is AC. So the common arm is AC. Okay, this is very easy exercise. Okay, firstly, all definitions. Okay, so all definitions you have written on your notebook. Hope you understood very well. Okay, thank you very much.